Hello, everyone. My name is Michelle Flowers, and I'm the president and CEO of Perfect Love Inc. We are a faith-based nonprofit organization here in Brevard County, and part of our mission is to educate the community on issues dealing with domestic violence. So I want to talk about a topic that generally comes up when you hear about domestic violence, and that is orders of protection. And so when you hear about domestic violence cases, you usually will have the question, did the victim have a protection order? And so I want to talk about the two different types of protection orders here that you hear about here in Brevard County. One of them is the no contact order, and the no contact order is issued by the judge. Whenever there is a domestic violence arrest or a dating violence arrest, the abuser is held on a no bond status for 24 hours. Within that 24 hours, they will go before the judge at what's called an initial appearance. At that initial appearance, the judge issues them their bond conditions, and usually as a condition of their release, they will be told that they cannot have any contact with the victim. The no contact order is in effect until the case is resolved or closed, at which point the no contact order goes away. The other form of protection is the restraining order or the injunction for protection. That's filed by the victim or the petitioner through the clerk of the courts. So the person that is filing the injunction for protection would go to the clerk of the courts, file that petition. It doesn't cost anything to file this injunction for protection. And once it is filed, that goes before the judge. The judge reviews it to see if it meets the criteria to grant an injunction for protection. If it meets the criteria, an injunction for protection is granted temporarily. Within 10 to 15 days, a hearing would be before the judge. And at that hearing, the judge decides whether or not they're going to make that a permanent injunction. So those are the two different types of protection orders that you'll hear about here in Brevard County. Again, the first one is the no contact order, which is issued by the judge. And the other one is the restraining order or the injunction for protection, and that is the one that the petitioner files. Please keep in mind that these protection orders are put in place to keep you safe, but also you need to take other precautionary measures to stay safe. If you need to get to a safe place, here in Brevard County, we have shelters in the north, south, and central parts of the county. In the north part of the county, if you need to get to a shelter, you can call 321-607-6809. In the central part of the county, if you need to get to a shelter, you can call 321-631-2764. And then on the south end of the county, you can call 321-726-8282. The Women's Center is also a great source of information, a great source of assistance for victims of domestic violence. And we have Women's Center in Brevard County here in the south part of the county. You would call 321-242-3110. And in the north part of the county, you would call 321-607-6811. So if you're the victim of domestic violence, please know that there is help. You can contact your local domestic violence hotline, 321-631-2764 here in Brevard County. If you're watching this video and you don't live here in the county or locally, you can call the National Domestic Violence Hotline, and that number is 1-800-799-7233. I hope that some information that I gave you today is helpful. Please pass it along if you know someone that needs to get this information. Again, I'm Michelle Flowers. I'm the president and CEO of Perfect Love Inc. Thank you for tuning into this video, and have a blessed day.